Jason Thornton, and I've been with Big Dog since 2021, and it's been a really great experience. So it was a local company that had representatives that I knew, right? And then we kind of always wanted to get solar, and so I gathered as much information as possible, and I had a whole spreadsheet, and Big Dog Solar was the one that kind of stood out during that process. So during the installation process, the team that came out, they had questions for us, like where we're going to put it and where the wiring needed to be, and that was all really professionally done. We were kind of walked through that process that we ended up doing, and it was really quick and easy. And so we were really happy with the end results of what happened during our installation, and ever since then too, just the support that we get afterwards has always been good. So yeah, if somebody asks me about going solar, then I usually tell them about Big Dog and how the experience that I've had and how positive it's been.